Okay guys, guess what's inside? If you can't know. Ganda lang. Hi guys, welcome to Rockin's World. And today we are going to use craft sticks to make a catapult. Catapult! For the catapult, we are going to need these things. Craft sticks, a bottle cover, or even a plastic spoon, and rubber bands, any type of glue, and that's all you need. Let's get started. First, you're going to start with 7 sticks because you'll need to leave out 2 more because you'll add 2 with the 7 sticks, so just get you started. First, we have to start them all together. It's quite hard. If you can't do it properly, then you can ask an adult for help if you want to. Now you have to just grab one of you. Drag it out, and here it is. You have to put it on and turn, wrap, turn, wrap, turn, wrap. You have to repeat it so much times. For the other side, I'm gonna use my favorite color, green. My hand. Okay, like this. Turn. Wrap. Turn. Wrap. Turn. Wrap. There. And this is what it looks like now. Now you have to take your leftover 2 crafting sticks, and then you just have to use like 1 rubber band. If you have a lot of colors, you can use whichever color you want. But this time, I'm gonna try my yellow in the halo. This is the only last color I have because I used green and red for the first. Now I'm using just yellow because this one you only need 1. Okay. It's the same way for the other one. Just the number of crafting sticks or less. Okay. I'm not going very good. It's just like exploded. It was just like the exploding stick bomb. It's that one? So now we have to put this over here. Open this and put this inside like in there that much or even further. But first, glue time. And I held it for a little time and look, it's done. It's not getting off and it's like a scoop. So now we can do the part. Actually, we put this inside. It's hard. If you're using hot glue, you will really need an adult for help. You will. Okay, there we go, it's done. Now we just gotta test it. Here's a look all around. This is there. And look at the top. The bottom.
The next day.
My little brother broke the plastic spoon one. That's why I'm using this real spoon. And we're gonna test out different ones because they both have an opening. And we're gonna just use one for all of them. Just let's get started. Let's try this one. I got a 2. This is a perfect way to roll the dice, guys. It's a perfect way. Guys, you have to decide which one will work best for you. I think all of them. I think all. Since the cover one worked, I'm doing the real spoon one. The real spoon. I'm gonna use the flour. It has a smell. Doesn't fit. It was slipping off. I'm gonna do Red Robin that he can fly sideways. Just he was like,
make it lie down.
okay, he can lie down that he can. He's gonna fly like or can do. He might land on his what?
But was it slippery?
Yeah. A bit. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna make it go very like this because it was very low. Now I'm gonna choose. It's big like this one, so it's just I'm gonna try here. I'm gonna like go back so that I can make it go like more down since the bottom is I'm gonna try a robin and the flower. Red Robin will be on top of the flower. inside. Cause he's drinking nectar like bees from it to make honey. I want some. This is the last one. Ready, set, not. It just went up and then down. I think the bottle cap and the spoon was the best. Guys, if you don't have crafting sticks, then you can use popsicle sticks. Guys, eat as many ice creams as you want. And do try out these experiments and share it with your friends. Launching time. There's something hidden inside. You know one. It was this. Guys, close your eyes. What's inside? If you want to know. It was the dice again. This one towards me. It stands. Have a good day. Bye bye. Oh yeah. I'm gonna launch you out.